Here's another cool usage of Win360 CLI. In any directory, you can simply say, I want to build a simple chatbot using Streamlit app and Anthropic Claude. And boom, just like that, it rolled out the files and created the artifact for me. I can go to left directory, click on the folder, and examine the files. Let's say it's good to go. I can then say, deploy it to Hugging Face, then provide a username and a new app name. And it will ask for approval, which I will press Y to confirm. And just like that, it's deployed successfully. Now we can copy the URL and check it out. And boom, just like that, we have a simple chatbot loaded on Hugging Face. We can enter our API key to get started. And everything takes a matter of a few minutes. Thank you for watching. If you haven't already, you should definitely test it out.